Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about third poem of Flamingo book, and the name of poem is Keeping Quiet. Dear students, in previous video I have told you the whole summary of this poem. And today I am going to tell you line by line, stanza wise. And before that, I want to tell you about the poet of the poem. As I have told you in previous video, dear students, this particular poem, Keeping Quiet, has been composed by one of the renowned poet, or his name is Pablo Neruda, who was born in 1904. Pablo Neruda is pen name of Neftali Ricardo Reis Busalto. This Pablo Neruda is nickname of Neftali Ricardo Reis Busalto. This great poet was born in 1904 in the town of Ferrol in Chile. This great poet, dear students, has written many poems, and I want to tell you that his poems are easy to understand. This great poet won Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. So this was all about a poet of the poem. Now I am going to tell you, teach you, explain you the poem stanza wise. I want to tell you, dear students, that through this poem, poet talks about the necessity for mankind to pause and think. Are we on the right path? Big question. Our thoughtlessness, haste and greed is leading to our own doom, our own destruction. It is a very crucial time for the whole mankind all over the world should sit together, should think together that how we can make our planet Earth better, or how we can make this planet a good place to live. Dear students, a big question. Or through this poem, poet wants to appeal all the people of the earth, people of all races, people of all languages, to be quiet for a while, so that they can understand the consequences of their deeds, so that they can think over the outcome of their actions. Or he appeals to all the people on the earth not to do any work. Even dear students, he gives caution and appeal to all the people of the earth that wherever they are, they should stop their work. Whatever work they are doing, the driver who is driving the vehicle, the worker who is working in the factory, all the whalers who are killing the whales and catching the whales in the sea, the people who are continuously busy in cutting the trees, he appeals all the people, salt gatherer, he appeals to all the people to stop their work and to think, to introspect and to know the outcome of their action. Ki whether the work which they are doing is constructive or destructive. This is the appeal, this is the intention of the poet. I am reading line by line. Now we will count to 12. Here 12, dear students, it's science for the hours on the clock. He appeals to the people that we will count to the 12 and we will all keep still. The poet says that after his appeal, after this caution, he includes himself also in that we will keep still means we will do nothing after that appeal, after the request, or when all the people on the earth of all races, of all languages, of all culture, they will stop doing their work and they will do nothing. So in this situation, dear students, what will be the real situation of the earth? Poet says, कि for once on the face of earth, कि as all the people on the earth of all races, of all languages, of all culture, of all nationality, they will stop their work. So it will be first time for the face of earth means it will be first time on the surface of earth. What will be the first time? Ki let's not speak any language. Ki after the poet's appeal, when people will stop their work and they will do nothing, poet says in further lines that it will be the first time in the history of earth, on the surface of earth, when people will not speak any language. Because all will be in silent mood. All will keep their mouths shut. All will not use and speak any language. People will not be categorized on the basis of their language. Here we are categorized on the basis of language. But after this appeal, when people will stop working, then they will not be categorized on the basis of language. And they will not speak any language. It will be the first time in the history of earth. Let's stop for a second. Poet appeal is not for a long time. He appeals to all the people of all races and all languages not to speak and not to do any work for a while, for some time. He appeals only for some time. that they should stop and they should introspect. They should stop doing nothing and they should think over the outcome of their deeds. And not move our arms so much. Where it says, कि after this appeal, during this time, when people will do nothing, then they will not use their arms for doing any work. What is seen usually, what is seen normally, that people are always engaged in work 24/7. But after this appeal, they will not be indulged, they will not be engaged in any work, or they will not use their hands in any work. So this will be after the appeal, and it would be an exotic moment. In next stanza, poet says कि it will be a very unusual moment, exotic, it will be rare, unusual moment on the earth, when no language, when people will not speak any language, when people will not be in doing any activity, doing any action, when people will not apply their hands to do any work. It will be an exotic moment, a very unusual moment on the surface of earth. Without rush, people will not be in hurry, dear students. Rush. They will not be in hurry, haste. People will not be in hurry, dear students. People will not be in hurry, haste. People will not be in hurry or haste during this appeal. Normally what happens? That when people are indulged in his work, in their work, so they do their work in hurriedly. They don't have time to think. But during this appeal, people will not be in haste or hurry. And one more thing, we would be all without engines. It further says that people will not be based on machine, engines. Normally what is seen, कि whenever we do work, we are in this modern and materialistic world, we are completely slave of machine. We are completely based on machines. But during this short period of time, at least, people will not be slave of machine. People will not be based on machines. At least they will be free from this. And he said, he further says, कि we would be all together, and all the people of the earth, all the people of this planet earth, they will be together, they will be unite, there will be uniformity. They will not be categorized on the basis of language, on the basis of race, on the basis of gender, on the basis of culture. There will be uniformity. Uniformity on the basis of their situation. Because all the people will be doing nothing. All the people of earth, they will do nothing, dear students, during this appeal. And this will be in a sudden strangeness. Poet says that it will be in unusual way. So after the appeal of the poet, when he appeals to the people that we will count to 12, here 12 signs of hours on the clock, or he says that we will stop working, we will do nothing, or he further says it will be first time on the surface of earth that all the people of earth will be in inactive stage, will not doing anything. He further says that people will not speak any language, people will not be categorized on the basis of language, they will not open their mouth, first time in the history of earth, and they will not move their arms for any action, for any work. People will not be indulged and engaged in any work. It will be a very exotic and it will be a very unusual moment on the surface of earth, when people will not be in haste or hurry. Normally people are seen busy, normally people are in hurry, but during this appeal, during this time of introspection, they will do nothing. Not only this much, dear students, people will not be based on engines, people will not be dependent on machines, devices. Normally we people are totally based and dependent on devices and machines. If they stop, it seems that our life will be stopped. If devices stop working, it seems to us that our life will be finished. But poet says during this appeal, during this short period of time, at least people will be free from machine. People will not be in hurry. There will be uniformity among all the people, because all will be not doing any work, all will be doing nothing. Understood? Or there will be togetherness, there will be uniformity. So this is the appeal of poet. Or during this appeal, people, including the poet, of all races, of all gender, of all caste and creed, all the people of earth, they will think, they will introspect, they will make self-analysis of their work, of their action, whether what is the outcome of their deeds. So it is all about first and second stanza, dear students. I will tell you some examples which are given by poet Pablo Neruda during his work, or that we will discuss in the next video, dear students. Example of whalers, example of salt makers, example of war promoters. So these things we will discuss in the next video, dear students. Thank you. Very important and interesting poem. I hope you have understood, dear students. And rest of all part I will tell you in next video. Thank you.